Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a cheerful girl named Lily. No matter what happened around her, she always found a way to smile. The villagers admired her joyful spirit, but they often wondered how she did it. One sunny morning, Lily woke up to a beautiful day. She opened her window and saw her favorite flowers blooming. She took a deep breath and whispered to herself, "Today is going to be wonderful." As she walked to the market, she noticed dark clouds gathering in the sky. The villagers frowned and hurried to finish their errands. But not Lily. She twirled around and said, "Look at those clouds. They're like fluffy cotton candy." The other villagers laughed, and her joy was infectious. Suddenly it started to rain. The villagers rushed for cover, but Lily danced in the rain, splashing in puddles. "Isn't this refreshing?" she called out. A few children joined her, giggling and splashing too. Soon the rain stopped, and a beautiful rainbow appeared. "See, every cloud has a silver lining," she exclaimed. Later that week, Lily decided to help her friend Tom, who owned a bakery. He had burned all the bread. Tom was upset and thought he would have to close his shop for the day. But Lily smiled and said, "Let's make something new. How about cookies?" They worked together, mixing ingredients and laughing. By the end of the day, the bakery smelled delicious, and the cookies were a hit. The villagers loved them, and Tom learned that mistakes can lead to something wonderful. A few days later, a big storm hit the village. Trees fell, and the river flooded. Everyone was worried, but Lily saw the bright side. "This is a chance for us to come together," she said. She organized a cleanup party. Villagers worked side by side, clearing debris and helping each other. They shared stories and laughter, turning a scary situation into a bonding experience. As time went on, Lily's positive attitude inspired everyone. The villagers began to look for the good in every situation. When someone lost their job, they would say, "Maybe this is an opportunity to find something better." When it snowed heavily, instead of staying inside, they built snowmen and had snowball fights, turning a cold day into a fun adventure. One day, an old man approached Lily. "You have a special gift, dear girl," he said. "You see happiness where others see trouble." Lily smiled. "I believe that every situation has a lesson. If we look for the good, we can be happy no matter what." The villagers decided to honor Lily with a festival to celebrate joy. They decorated the village with colorful banners and invited everyone to share stories of happiness. That day they danced, sang and laughed, all thanks to Lily's spirit. From then on, the village became known as the Happy Village. People traveled from far and wide to see how the villagers always found joy, no matter the circumstances. And so, Lily continued to spread happiness wherever she went, proving that with a positive attitude, you can find joy in every situation.